Here I would like to inform you of content of typical lease contract paper. When you start your business in Japan, you may rent office space. For example, you plan to sell second-hand goods via the internet. In that case, you need to obtain a second-hand goods dealer license. In that case, you need to prepare physical office space. Unfortunately, you cannot use a virtual office space. Even if you are renting a residential apartment, you will not be able to use your residence. If you only need address in Japan, you can apply for a virtual office company. If you pay about 2,000 yen per month, you can rent only the address of the virtual office company. Once you can rent an address in Japan, you can incorporate a company. However, in order to obtain some kinds of license, including a second-hand goods dealer license, you cannot use a virtual office. Physical office space should be prepared. In order to obtain some kind of license, physical office space should be prepared. So you will contact a local real estate company and find suitable rental office and enter into a lease agreement. On the lease contract paper, the address, rental fee, and room area of the office space will be indicated. However, I would like to inform you of more important items. The purpose of renting the office space is specified on the lease contract paper. It may be operation of second goods dealer business or operation of recruitment business. So it is not good to change your business after you have rented an office space. On the lease contract paper, you will find information relating to lease period. Basically, lease period will be for 2 years. When you rent an office of 20 square meters in Tokyo, amount of rental fee will be from 70,000 yen to 150,000 yen per month. So you will hesitate to rent an office space. Even if you cannot find customers for your business at first, you need to pay the monthly rental fee, so you will not be comfortable. So you will need to advertise your business before you rent an office space. If you can operate your business in a rural area, you will not rent an office space in Tokyo at first. If you rent office space in neighboring prefectures like Saitama prefectures or Chiba prefectures, you can save a lot of money. As for deposit, when you rent an office space, you need to pay a deposit to landlord. If you fail to pay rental fee, the landlord will seize this money to compensate the rental fee. The amount of deposit differs depending on office space and type of business. It may be 4 months, of the monthly rental fee. Assumed that you rent an office space with a rental fee of 90,000 yen per month. Please note that this presumption applies to all of this article. In this case, the amount of the deposit will be 360,000 yen, meaning 90,000 yen times 4 months rental fee. When you rent a real estate to start a restaurant business, the amount of deposit may be 540,000 yen. And when you terminate the lease agreement in the future, some of the deposit will not return to you. Even if you deposit 360,000 yen to the landlord, you will receive only 270,000 yen. The landlord amortizes another 90,000 yen. Moreover, after 2 years after signing the lease contract paper, you will renew the lease agreement. At that time, a rental fee is necessary. At that time, a renewal fee is necessary. It should be 90,000 yen. So after 2 years from now, you need to pay a monthly rental fee plus renewal fee at the same time. You may think the real estate renting out business is good business. Yes, as far as you can find and sustain a renter, it may be a good business. As for fire insurance, when you rent an office space, you need to purchase a fire insurance, and the amount will be 22,000 yen for 2 years. As for the termination of lease contract, if you hope to terminate the lease agreement, you need to inform the owner 3 months before the termination date. So, if you hope to terminate the lease contract, by July 2022, you need to inform the landlord by end of April 2022. Or if you gift 270,000 yen to the landlord, you can terminate the lease contract without 3 months advance notice. As for short period termination of the lease contract, basically lease period is for 2 years. Then, depending on the owner, when you terminate the lease agreement within 1 year, you need to pay 90,000 yen to the landlord. It may be a kind of penalty. When you entered into a lease agreement, the landlord expected that you will rent the space for a long period. So there will be this kind of clause on the lease contract paper. Hopefully, you will not terminate the lease agreement within 1 year. But after you start your business, actually, you may you may find that the business is not going well. In that case, withdrawal may be necessary. Well, that's all for today. Thank you very much for reading. Thank you very much for listening to my unskilled English sentences.